Calling all high schoolers. I repeat, calling all Southern California high schoolers. We have an obligation to adhere to this message, my friends. Our beloved environment that surrounds and encompasses our beautiful area is under attack. And no, there is no evil enemy or huge murder hornets. The real root of the problem stems from ourselves. We create pollution, and that is our battle. To be more specific, pesticide pollution and air pollution. Our land is a very arable location, so therefore there are many farms. But with the addition of farms, there comes pesticides. Pesticidal drift to be more exact. Pesticidal drift is the airborne movement of pesticides from an area of application to any unintended site. To risk the to risks to the reduce the risks of pesticide drift, I think that there should be a change in the types of formula used to create these harmful toxins. An example would be to change the density and mass of these sprays in order to keep the particles from floating away, and instead sort of float downwards. This would keep the toxins away from the surrounding areas and will keep the chemicals where they were originally meant to be used. This would be a better alternative to completely shutting down all pesticide use and production because it wouldn't cause a massive loss of jobs and it wouldn't risk a famine due to dirty pests eating up the crops of farmers. Another big threat to the chaparral biome is the issue of air pollution. This mainly occurs when people are building homes and industries are growing closer and closer to these regions, which really affects the air quality. Humans are putting bad gases into the air near the chaparral biome to be exact, and it is harming the fresh air created by the plants in nature. In the future, it might damage the way plants and animals breathe because they need clean air. To stop this, the chaparral needs more plants to help decrease CO2 levels and circulate oxygen in the atmosphere. There isn't much pollution in the chaparral. However, there are small bits of air pollution, but they still can create massive damage to the flora and fauna of our beloved Southern California amenities. Once again, I'm calling on kids my age to make a difference. We can be the generation that rights these wrongs. Even the smallest actions can go a long way. Whether that means writing a letter to your local government or simply volunteering or planting trees in your spare time. We can combat this problem, but only together will we prevail. Thank you.